After another medical emergency, fortunately that's been resolved. We had a person in distress. The last hour on the sidewalk, the lane closed northbound direction after the North Tower. That did get resolved, but traffic didn't even get a chance to recover. And now we have a crash at the end of the span there, northbound. That left lane is blocked. One member of the phone force says possibly hit that zipper truck, but that hasn't been confirmed. Whatever the case is, still crawling out of San Francisco as a result. And now we've got this backup headed to the Caldecott Tunnel on eastbound 24 because a big rig broke down in the Caldecott Tunnel. It's stuck in the left lane in the right bore. So ongoing delays there. The backup is growing. Getting through Oakland, northbound 880, a crash before 5th Avenue is the reason it's slow in that direction. And same with southbound into Hayward because of a crash at A Street. Next update at 2:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS. We had a pretty gray start to the day. Got a little drippy out there and some fog. And now we are seeing around much of the Bay Area. We're going to
Okay. Ooh.